guys, welcome back to Toys and Play, and today I'm going to be showing you this bag of Mega Bloks. So over here it says there are 80 pieces, and there are 2 pictures of what you can build, like an airplane and a dinosaur. So these are just examples of what you can make, but with all the amount of blocks you can make unlimited amounts of just things you want to build. And also this is for 1 year and plus. So now I'm just going to make an example of what you can make with that. They have it, there's a dinosaur. So guys, toddlers can have so much fun because they love to build stuff out of it and then break it, and it's just really fun for them. And you can also choose other stuff from Amazon. There are lots of different types of toys and they're not really that expensive. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.